How to create a group chat on WeChat app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a group on WeChat app. So without further ado, let's get started by opening the WeChat app. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus icon and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the new chat. Now in this section, you can simply tap on join private group. Now it's time to set a password. So set a password, and once you're done with that, simply tap on join this group. And once it's set, you will be able to join the group. Now you can simply set up the group itself by tapping on the three dots in the corner. From there you can add more friends right here, and you will see there are many more options from which you can customize the group. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create a group on the WeChat app.
If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.